In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed anything in Squarespace. If you want to add outside content to your Squarespace site, like a video, a form, a widget, or another embeddable element, the process is actually very simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to insert an embed block and add your link so the content appears on your page correctly. To get started, open the page or section in Squarespace where you want the embedded content to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on AD Block. This opens the block menu, which is where Squarespace lets you insert different kinds of content into your layout. If you're working inside a section with multiple content blocks already in place, just make sure you're clicking in the exact spot where you want the embed to go. After the block menu opens, type embed into the search bar. This is the fastest way to find the correct block, especially if you don't want to scroll through the full list of content options. Squarespace offers many different block types, so using search helps you get to the right one quickly and avoid selecting the wrong tool by mistake. When you see the embed option appear, click on embed. This adds the embed block to your page. At this point, the block is there, but you still need to tell Squarespace what content you want it to display. Think of this as placing the container first and then adding the actual source inside it. Next, click the pencil icon to edit the block. This opens the settings for that embed area and allows you to insert the content source. If you don't see your content immediately after adding the block, that's normal. You need to go into the editor for the block before anything will show up. Now paste the link into the field provided. This is the key step, because Squarespace will use that link to pull in the content you want to display. Make sure you paste the correct URL and double check that it's complete. If the content provider supports embedding, Squarespace should recognize it and generate the preview or embedded element automatically. Once the link is pasted in, you can continue with any prompts Squarespace gives you, and then place the block exactly where you want it within your page layout. If something doesn't display as expected, it's a good idea to verify that the link is public and embeddable. And that's it. That's how to embed anything in Squarespace using the embed block, from finding the block to pasting in your link and getting your content onto the page.